You are a salsa beginner, but you want to look like a pro? Doodly, doodly, doodly. The only thing you have to do is subscribe that channel, or if you want, become a member, check the link below. And now, the special tip. And this is not only for beginner, it's also for all salsa dancers outside. They don't want to look like a beginner. So before I give you that tip, I will show you and demonstrate 3 patterns which I would say a beginner would do, like that. And then I will show you a demonstration of how a pro would do that. So let's demonstrate how a beginner would dance. Let's start. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Now as a pro. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. So, there's just one little thing. Just one little thing. This will change your complete dance. Alright, now it comes. Everything you do, try to lead with one arm, not with both. Don't try to connect like that. Okay, even not with the T-Rex, it means the arms are too close. Okay, so I mean, if you're a beginner or even not, doesn't matter. Beginners used to make a pattern and then go into the basic like that, thinking about the next move, right? When you do that, it's okay, that's fine. But try to make not the typical basic. Instead of doing that by doing just the basic, to not stay just always in front of her. So one tip is not staying in front of her. Second is by leading her just with one arm. And you have seen, if you just check the section behind, you have seen I was almost leading just with one arm. So instead of doing this, go into that position. It looks also better for all the audience that are watching you. So if you stay like that, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, again. So what we see is, instead of doing this, you dance like that. Thinking about the next move, next move, next move, next move. If you want to look like a pro, just do that. 1, 2, that hand looks great. She got her space, I got my space. That is also for her really beautiful. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, just connection with one arm. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And now I show you a crossbody lead version also by changing. Look, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. One arm, one arm, one arm, reverse, one arm, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. So every time it looks great. Also from the pace you go, try to not stay just in front of her. So every time you are in the move, yeah, you can also do it every time just by one arm. Also here, one arm, everything possible. You can do it, of course. If you grab you here with two arms, that's also great because you are staying from to the side, okay? Look at that. But as soon the move is done, I open again. I'm only connected with one arm. So, and that is the secret. Try just hold one arm and it looks better. Of course, if there's a pattern, you need two arms, as we show. Do that, but try to finish and with one arm every time, and it looks great. So maybe this brings you also to more dynamic, and this is working also better maybe. Okay, so the secret is just using one arm. I never got this tip from someone else. Maybe you have heard it for the first time. If so, please just write it into the comment if this is something new for you. And if you need more tips about styling, about hand holds, please either subscribe the channel or just write into the comment what would you like to learn. So subscribe the channel and see you next time. Bye bye.